What's up, my YouTube people? I haven't hit y'all back. Well, actually, it's probably been 2 weeks by now. My computer took a shit. I really wanted to film the day-to-day progress on this box. Let me show y'all the progress so far. We got the switches already mocked up. Like I showed y'all in the last video, we got that boy Ish coming through. He came through on a holiday, fixing the lights. That's one less headache I don't have to deal with. I'm not that good with wiring. So I called him in and check it out. He got the bulb lights shining. We still got to align that bumper. That bumper shock is pushed in, so I got to take it off. Try to get that bumper shock out before I try to align it. But he got the headlights working. He's working on the tail lights now. I've been working on putting that bumper and bumper filler in the back. Once he gets these taillights working, if he got time, he's going to mess with the windows. And then I got to keep going on the hydraulics. I got to make the jumpers and whatnot. But I'll keep y'all updated. All right, go ahead, fool. That's parking lights, right? No, that's brake lights. Yes, that's brake lights, yes. Parking lights, yes, all of them. That's left, yes. Right, yes. Cool. What's that? Brake. Okay, yeah. What about hazards? Hazards. That's on the steering column, I think, the little button. Damn, even them hoes work. Fuck yeah. Oh, we money. Yep. It's left hand. Right hand, hell yeah, money. Brakes. Parking light, then brakes. Yes, everything's right, fool. Yes. Yeah. Oh, what about the front? The turns. Oh, you haven't fucked with the turn signals yet, right? Okay, cool. Oh yeah, we got action. Oh, them hoes is bright. Hey, for being regular bulbs, them hoes are pretty bright. Oh yeah. One step closer. All right, he got the front going. High beams, low beams, corner lights. Yes, sir. Hazards. Oh, it's gonna look good. Hell yeah. Let me show y'all what I got going over here. I started doing the battery cables. So far, I got 2. I messed up 2 in the process. But we're getting the shipping away. Woo! As y'all can see, I'm still grinding. Pretty damn cold. Luckily got the heater. Quan let me borrow that hoe. It's doing a little something. Let me show y'all. I was working on doing the jumpers. I actually messed up like two of them, but I finally got them. Starting to go. Next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get them solenoids buttoned down and start tightening up my pumps. They're just loose, and I gotta change them hoses and make the rest of the wires. But y'all can see I'm starting to get that car. It's starting to look like a car. Got the back bumpers on, all the lights working. He got my switch. I need switches, the window switches, but he got it kind of rigged up so it could work. Well, it's Friday night. I'm already getting a little tired and it's cold. I might call it a day. I have all of Saturday. Try to see if I can make it for Sunday. Woo! We'll see. So I put the window in and the door panel. And I forgot the door handle. Motherfucker. Update, it's actually Saturday about what, 4 o'clock right now? 3 o'clock, something like that. We still got a lot of things to put on there, but we got that window in on that side. We're working on this window because Chilango's supposed to come tint this windows. So I want to get that done, and I'm going to go finish the front end and wait on Kevin to finish wiring up them switches. But man, we're getting there. I'm probably not going to have 100% done, but it is a possibility we might be able to take a ride out there. We'll see. Hopefully we don't hit no big hiccups. I think I got pretty much everything. I might not put all the trim back, But we'll see. I'll hit y'all back. A ver, ¿qué pinche mentira vas a decir, güey?
Piece of shit.
Talking shit about working on old cars, but he came through, got the tint. Ooh, so they won't see the boo-boo guts. He came through. Nah, se ve bien, güey. I might roll it for a little bit. Vete a jalar, güey, antes que te corran, güey. Ole, güey. Hey, me hablas mañana, güey.
We're with the property from acquisition to operations to sale. You know, that continuity really helps us differentiate ourselves from other businesses in the industry. And I think it helps us give a better service to our residents.
It's pretty amazing to see a company come into the market and grow as much as they have in such a short period of time. The things that differentiate Smegma from the rest of the industry is their institutional approach to the business. They're focused on more.
So you already know big ticket items. You gotta expect, you know, rims, system, paint. But what kills you putting a car together is all these motherfucking hardware store runs. Look, 53, 30, and I done through a lot of them Home Depot runs. All that shit was adds up. I probably got $500 these past few days on nothing. Just shit that I need. Glue, blades. I mean, it just adds up. That's one thing people don't talk about when they putting shit together. Ooh, that's gonna look good right there. We didn't make it to the park, but we're gonna keep working on this boy. Man, look at that paint glistening in that sun. What's up, y'all? Beautiful Sunday, hitting y'all up. Pretty much since the last time I filmed on this car, I haven't touched it. How the video's been going, I was trying to make it to that picnic on the 1st or whatnot. I didn't quite make it. I still got to finish the hydraulics, but we're getting there, pretty close. I could possibly have it working today, maybe. Well, anyways, update so far on the car. I still got to put all my trim on. I got the windows in. Got to line both bumpers. Unfortunately, I had to break down and order more clips. And I'm still searching for some more clips for these Landu clips. They're hard to find. I have a few of them, but I don't have all of them. But pretty much, it's just a lot of finishing touches. I have to line this bumper and end up having to order the other type of bumper filler. I just forgot, man. Well, I've not even forgot. I actually have never used the fiberglass one. That's all I could find at the time. And nah, man, it's not gonna work. As you can see, we already cracked it over here. It's just not gonna work. So I found the plastic one, kind of like the OG style. It's on this way. We're gonna have to repaint that. But man, I'm kind of have a mess going on back here. I don't know where I had stopped last. So I kind of just wanna wash this car because it does have a lot of dust on it, and we do got some. We want to knock the dust off, man, and organize and clean up and just get a refresh. Sometimes you gotta stop, clean up before you keep continuing. But I do want to be rolling here pretty soon. Hopefully, maybe in the next week or two, man. I ain't even gonna try to rush it. And honestly, there's a lot of other things that now I'm looking at that I do want to change, but. Let me quit talking. Let me give it a quick wash, and I'll hit y'all back.
Oh yeah. think they want to.